Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another drink video. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a blueberry margarita. So what I'm going to be using today is the blueberry real puree, infused syrup. I got some triple sec. I got some agave syrup. I found this in Walmart. It's from a bartender in Arizona. And then I'm going to be using this brand tequila. I don't know if it's called Espolon or something like that. It's really good though. And it's the brown one. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is rim my glass with some salt. And you can use sugar if you would like, or none at all. Just like that. And then I have my shaker with my ice. And I'm gonna pour in, using the small one, some fresh squeezed fresh squeezed lime juice. Using that same part, I'm going to do my triple sec. And you can use any brand triple sec that you would like. And then my agave syrup. You can use simple syrup if you prefer, or sugar. And then with the blueberry syrup, I'm going to use the same one. And then we're going to go in with our tequila. I love that sound. And we're going to use the big part. And you can do 1 or 2 shots. It's really up to you. I'm gonna get my top on, and we're gonna give this a shake. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some ice in my glass. And you don't have to use ice if you don't want to. It'll be cold once you're done shaking it up with the ice in the shaker. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that poured in. And I'm going to drop in a couple fresh blueberries. Put me a lime. And there you have it. A nice and fresh blueberry margarita. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.